Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you my monthly favorites for the month of June. So this video I have a lot of products to show you guys, so this video might be a little bit longer. So grab your drink or any snacks you like and let's get started with the video. Okay, so before starting off with the video, I have a quick disclaimer for you guys that some of the products that I would be showing in this video are sent to me by these brands, but that doesn't mean that they're paying me for saying good things about their products. I am showing this product to you guys because I genuinely enjoy using those products, and most of the products that I would be showing it to you guys are purchased by my own money, and with them I have kept these products also because I genuinely enjoy using them. Keeping that aside, let's get started with today's video. And if you are wondering about this particular makeup look, then you can go to my Instagram and watch it. I have done this on a live session with one of my followers, and I have done the entire face of makeup using my left hand. Yes, I have done this makeup using my left hand. So if you want a little bit of fun video, then go to my Instagram and check it out. I would be starting off with skincare products first, and then I would be moving on to makeup. So the very first skincare product I have for you guys is this one. This is the Elements Radiant Glow Face Wash, and it is soap free. So most of you may think that soap is really good for our skin, but actually it is not. Soap actually harm our skin in the longer run. So this is soap free, which is amazing. Also, this has tri-mineral complex in it. It has zinc, magnesium and copper, and these three minerals are amazing for skin, and I feel that these three minerals should be in every skincare products, as this will really help with the texture of your skin. So the next skincare product is this one. It is the New Star scrub. So this is a blemish control scrub, and it does have a little bit bigger granules. So this is really perfect for my, but I wouldn't recommend this for people who are having sensitive skin. It can be a little bit harsh for your skin, but trust me, after you use this scrub, your skin will feel like buttery soft. You will see glow after using this scrub instantly, and it gives such amazing result. That is why I've used so much, and this one is not the first tube that I'm using. I have been using this scrub for over 2 years, and I absolutely swear by it. Okay, so the next product is a toner. So this toner I have been using for over 2 to 3 months, and by far this is the best toner that I've used in my entire life. Yes, I'm talking about the Face Shop Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Toner. So this toner has such an amazing formula. Like the rest of the toners that I've used earlier has a very runny and liquidy formula, but this one, it is so moisturizing for the face, and when you use it you get an instant glow, and you don't need a moisturizer after using this. It will literally work as a barrier on the skin, and your skin will look flawless. Okay, so the next product is again from Face Shop. It is the Face Shop Rice Ceramide Emulsion. So emulsion is not a moisturizer. Emulsion has a really different formula. It is more water based, and I feel you should use emulsion instead of a moisturizer in summer. And now as we have a very humid climate, emulsion works amazing for the skin, and this particular emulsion is like life changing. Ever since I've used this moisturizer, I haven't really used any other emulsion. It gives such a radiant glow to the face, and even if you don't apply makeup, your skin will still look healthy and glowing. And if you put this under your makeup will look totally different, and I really recommend you to try this one. The next product is from Miniso. So I have been using Miniso skincare for a while now, and I really like some of the skincare, and the top one is the Miniso Mist. So this particular product is revolutionary. You can use this product on your face, on your hair, as well as on your body. So can you imagine, you can use this on your entire body. It is a moisturizing mist, and I have used a lot of mist, but by far this is my favorite. Like, if you don't want to do your skincare, you can literally put this and go out. Your skin will not feel dry at all after using it. And as you can see, I've used quite a bit. I am going to purchase a new bottle, of course, as I really enjoy using this product, especially for summer. The next product, or rather products, is sunscreen. So sunscreen is really important for our skin, and most of us don't really realize it. Like, we don't really know how sunscreen is important for our skin. Even if you don't do your skincare, please, for God's sake, use sunscreen. It will change your life for good. I myself never used sunscreen in the past, and now I have been using sunscreen for over a while now, and I have literally seen a lot of difference on my skin after using this particular sunscreen. So the sunscreen that I'm talking about is this one. I have 3 variants of this. So all of them are from UV Diox. So at first this was introduced to me by my dermatologist, and ever since I have been using this particular sunscreen, I literally have never gone to any other sunscreen, and I was really happy that they reached out to me and they have sent these 3 products to me. So I have been using this particular sunscreen for over 2 years, and I fell in love with this sunscreen. And now they have sent these 2 variants, which I have been using for over like 1 week, and this 2 formula is even better than the last one. This one, the formula of this one is amazing. It is so lightweight, you literally don't feel like that you have put a layer on your skin. And these sunscreens are silicone based, so even if you are going out, it will not melt like most of the sunscreen that I've used in the past, like the Lakme one. First of all, it gives a white cast on the face which looked disgusting, and when I move out using that sunscreen, my makeup melts and the sunscreen melts with that, and it looks really nasty. So all of this sunscreen is silicone based, and it will not melt your makeup, and your makeup will be locked on your skin. So I really recommend you to go to their page and purchase this sunscreens. They will literally change your life. So the next product is the Nivea deodorant. So this is the roll-on version. I should include this in my yearly favorite. I have been using this for like I don't know how many years, and if you really sweat a lot and if you are facing with underarm odor, then I am really recommending you to use this. This is by far the best deodorant that I've ever used. Okay, so the next product that I have is actually not skincare, it is a hair care product. So I am talking about this particular product right here. It is the Bella Vita One for All hair mask. So this hair mask was actually sent to me by this brand, but I literally swear by this hair mask from the day I used it. Like, I have used a lot of hair masks. Like, I have used the Mamaearth one, the L'Oreal one, the Vela one, and none of them actually worked for my hair, surprisingly. Like, I have seen a lot of good reviews about the Mamaearth hair mask, and I personally love Mamaearth as a brand. I use a lot of their products, but their hair mask literally didn't work for my hair. I faced a lot of hair fall after using that mask, but the best part after using this particular hair mask is that I did not face any hair fall issues after using it, and it has beautiful raspberry scent which I absolutely love. And after using this mask, your hair will feel like salon ready. Now in quarantine, we don't really have any option to go to a salon and do our hair. So if you are not using this product, you are literally missing out. You should definitely try this right now. So that's all for the skincare. Now I'm moving on to makeup. So the very first makeup product that I have for you is the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation. So ever since this launched, I always wanted this foundation, but I never really got the chance of purchasing it as I had a lot of other foundations to finish. So now when I did purchase it, I'm literally feeling that why didn't I get it before? Like, it has such a beautiful formula, and you know the name suit the product. It is called Skin Genius, right? And it is called Skin Genius because, like, if you go wrong with 1-2 shades, then also it will look good on your skin. If you use one shade darker from your skin color, then also it will settle down on your skin. Also, the formula of this foundation is so beautiful, and I personally don't like a full coverage foundation, and this does have a little bit of coverage. It is not a full coverage foundation, and it is amazing for daily use. You can use it when you are going out, like when you are going to college or work. It is a really genius foundation, and I'm in the shade 02 Almond Beige. So this is absolutely my shade. If you are of my complexion, then you can absolutely try the 02 Almond Beige shade. But one thing that I have to say, that the smell of this foundation is ridiculous. The smell is really bad. It has such a chemically smell. I don't know why, but the formula is amazing. The next one is the Miniso Mini Pony Loose Powder, and I'm in the shade 02 Nude. This loose powder is very mild. I don't really use compact powder on my face, and I never actually used loose powder before. So this loose powder is my very first purchase, and I think it is a good product. It has a little bit of shimmer in it, which I feel work good for some people, but for rest of the people don't like the shimmer in it. But the formula of it is amazing. Like, it has such a beautiful formula. It melts on the skin so beautifully that you will not feel cakey at all after using this product. But one thing is that it doesn't really have a lot of shades. I feel that it has only 2 shades available, which I feel is not really good for Indian market. Like, in India we have so many beautiful complexions, and for all of the complexions I feel that they should really come up with more shades. If you are looking for a loose powder, you can definitely try this one. If you are somewhat in my complexion, then you can try this one for sure. The next one is this palette over here. This is the Charion Blossom palette. I am actually not going to say anything about this palette in this video, as I have already done a full dedicated video reviewing this particular product right here. So I would be linking it in the description as well as in the I bar, so you can go and check it out. The next eyeshadow palette that I have is the My Glam Malish Malhotra eyeshadow palette. So this palette has so many beautiful shades, as you can see. It has some copper shades, some peachy shades, some shimmer shades, and you know, this palette is costly. Like, it is like 1800 or 1700 or so. But like, at first I was really contemplating about getting this product, but after I got it, I am using it daily. The pigmentation of this palette is out of the world. You get amazing pigmentation, and the best thing is the shadows are really blendable. You can get a very good pigmentation with one swipe. So if you are looking for a beautiful palette, you can definitely go for this one, but it is a bit costly, but I feel that it is worth every penny. Okay, for lipstick I have 3 beautiful options right here. So these 3 lipsticks are my current favorite, and I will be not reviewing each of the lipsticks separately. The first one I have is from Nykaa, and it is in the shade Basic 03, and that is what I am wearing today. So the next one is the Lakme Absolute Matte lipstick, and this is in the shade 04 Mulberry Fist. So this is a beautiful plum shade. The next one is actually a very inexpensive lipstick, but it has amazing pigmentation. It glides on the lips really amazingly. So this is by LA Girl, and this is in the shade CLG 417. So this is a beautiful nude shade, and it looks amazing for my skin tone. So if you are of my skin tone, this lipstick would really look beautiful on your skin. So the next product is a beauty blender, and this is the blender right here. This is from Nykaa, and I'm sorry it is a bit dirty as I've used it today. So this one is a really amazing blender, and it's super duper soft. I've been using this for over like 2 months, and it is one of the best blenders that I've used so far. For lip liners, I have 3 options for you, and these are the lip liners I'm talking about. All of them are from InColor. So InColor is itself a very inexpensive brand, and I have used few products for them, but I really didn't like most of the products. But these lip liners are amazing. The shade range they have on lip liners is so beautiful. I have this 3 shade over here. The first one is purple, and this is the shade. The next one is silky brown, and this is the shade. And the last one is wine, and here is the shade. So all of these shades are so beautiful, and it looks amazing with a very nude lipstick. These lip liners are really soft on the lips. You don't really feel that you're poking on the lips, which is amazing. And the shade range is so beautiful. Like, this lip liners cost just for ₹100, and you are getting such a beautiful formula. So I really recommend this lip liners. I'm thinking of getting all of the other shades too. The last lip product that I have for you is the Face Shop Water Tint. So this particular product is so beautiful. I've been using it not for like 1 month, I've been using it for over like 3 months, and you know, it looks beautiful on top of makeup, as well as it looks beautiful on bare skin. Like, whenever I used to go to college, I just used to apply this on my bare skin, and my skin used to look so pretty. You can use it on your lips, on your cheeks, on your eyes, and it is a very beautiful multi-purpose product, and I really recommend you to use this product if you have not tried it yet. So the last but not the least is the Garnier Micellar Water. This is the oil infused one. So Garnier also have another variant of this micellar water, but it is only a micellar water, and this has oil in it. So I have used that variant as well, but I really like this one. This is good to remove waterproof makeup. I always wear waterproof mascara. This particular micellar water really helps to break down the formula, and like, every bit of your makeup will be removed with this micellar water. So you can see I'm almost done with the bottle, so I've repurchased it, and I have a new bottle right here. This has quite a bit of product, and you can use it for like multiple months. For me personally, it takes almost like 1.5 months, as I apply makeup daily, because I have to shoot for Instagram as well as for YouTube. But for you it may be different. You have to use it like once or twice a week. It will last you for more than 4 to 5 months easily. So yeah, that completes my product recommendation for the month of June. All of the product that I've shown in this particular video is linked down in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And all of these products, I really enjoy using it, and I would 100% recommend this product to you guys. If you purchase this product after getting recommendation from my side, then don't forget to come to my Instagram and DM me. I would be really happy to see that. Also, if you like this one, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come up with a new video. You can always follow me on Instagram, as I'm always active there. And till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay positive. I will see you guys on my next one.